Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Trisha and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be decorating my downstairs basement with the very festive colors like red and white, green. We're going to add some black and some gray in there. And we're going to do little gnomes, so it's going to be super cute. We're also going to be decorating my shelves that you can see back here by my TV, and we'll also be decorating the fireplace. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and start with the tree. That way if we have any leftover ornaments or any other decorations, we can use them in other spaces. I'm going to do a little bit of a tutorial. We're going to go step by step, so we'll start with the tree topper and then we'll go ahead and go in with the ribbon and then the bigger ornaments and so on. So we're going to go in with the tree toppers. If you've watched my other videos, you've probably seen this. So this is my cute little gnome topper that I had put in the bow tutorial. So that's my tree that's going to be downstairs. If you're interested in learning how to make tree toppers or bows or set up garlands, I'll link my other videos below. So we've got our tree topper up. Next step, we're going to go ahead and put up the ribbon and bows. I'm going to do something a little bit different on this tree. So this ribbon has words on it, Merry Christmas. So I'm going to wrap it diagonal around the tree first. And then I'll go in with my other ribbons that I'm gonna actually put a big bow up here and have it kind of drape through the tree. So next step would be this if you're gonna do the ribbon that has words on it. And really you can do whatever makes your heart happy. I'm just going to add this right to the top where it's showing these branches here. Okay, so we'll finish up the tree topper. And I've got this cute gnome that we're going to put up top. It's an extra large. I like to put big things up there. Look how cute. Alright, so we're going to go in with the picks. That'll be next, and then we'll go in with it. So these, you've probably seen these in other videos. I've used them for numerous things in my bow tutorial video and whatnot. So I just wired these together to make this cute little pick. And then I'm just going to stick them in the tree here and there. I love it when they hang out along the side here like this. And I'm just going to kind of stick them in the tree. Going down a little step. I've got these super cute ornaments. And these I'm just gonna let kind of hang out on the outside of the tree instead of pushing them in like I did these bigger ornaments. I've got these beautiful wood ornaments with some silver on them. I've got these cute little gnomes. They have little snow stuck on them and it's pretty impossible to get off, so I'll just put them on like that. Looking beautiful. I absolutely love this tree. This is my favorite. So now I'm going to go in and add all of my garland and my other little ribbons that I showed in a prior video. And this is just chicken wire. I think they're about 9 inches, not really sure. But I just cut them and you just stick them right in the tree like this. I have these super cute cranberry garlands. And I have 3 of these, so I'll just be draping them around. And I like them to hang. I'll just pop my tree skirt under the tree and we're done. This is a cute old gnome that I made last year. Super cute. I'm just gonna put it down by the bottom of the tree. So we're done decorating my absolute favorite tree. I've had this tree for about 3 years now and it doesn't get old. I still love it. It's just gonna be downstairs now. I decided to go with something a little bit more classy, more neutral colors for upstairs. So for now on, we'll just be doing the super festive pops of color in the basement. Super cozy and warm. Let's go ahead and get started decorating the shelves behind the fireplace. Don't be afraid to add decorations that you already have in with your decor. This is going to give it some height over here on this side, and I'll do the same over there on that side. So now we're gonna go ahead and start styling the fireplace mantle. Just gonna fluff out the branches and let them hang on both sides a little bit. I have some fairy lights coming from Olaf, so I'll stick those in there when they get here. I have this little garland that just weave it in a little. So we're done decorating the basement. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll show you guys around and show you how it turned out. I think it just looks absolutely beautiful. Thanks again for watching my video. Please hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.